Okay, so today we have Play-Doh Diggin rigs, and this is Boomer the fire truck. So we're just gonna open up Boomer. Looks like Boomer comes with 2 cans of Play-Doh in red and a blue and 2 presses. Let's see if Boomer will come out. Make sure when opening your Play-Doh to ask for a parent. Oh, and it looks like it also comes with an axe. Boomer here looks like he has a little press, and it makes a fire hydrant. Boomer also has another press here. So it looks like the axe fits right here, and in here he makes water. So you put Play-Doh in here and out comes the water. And then it looks like right in here it makes wooden crates. The 2 stamps that we have is a extinguisher and some fire flames. So let's make some things with Boomer. So first we'll make a fire hydrant. So we'll press the Play-Doh into the molds. And then we close it and squeeze it really tight. And there's a fire hydrant. Next, we'll roll out some dough and make some fire flames. Okay, so we made the fire. Next, let's make a box. We'll make it out of blue. Seems we're using a lot of red. Okay. So we'll push the Play-Doh into the box mold. And then what we'll do is we squeeze the mold together really tight. And when we open, there's the box. Okay, so with all of the fire going, we'll make some water. So you put the blue Play-Doh into this mold, and then you squeeze really tight. And out goes the fire. Be very careful and make sure you clean out all the Play-Doh and all the cracks before you put your toys away. So that is Boomer the fire truck.